Tired of video creation feeling like this? Let's transform your raw ideas into captivating videos with Google Veo 3, making the process easier than ever. First, access Google Veo 3 through your Google account. You will find a clean, intuitive interface designed for ease of use, ensuring a smooth video creation journey. Start by entering your video concept into the prompt box. Be specific and descriptive. For example, you can type a cat wearing a hat, walking through a futuristic city at night. Google Veo 3 will then generate several video previews based on your prompt. Review the options and select the one that best matches your vision, paying attention to the composition, style and overall feel. Next, refine your selected video using Veo 3's editing tools. Here, you can trim the video length, add text overlays, or even incorporate background music. Explore the music library and choose a track that complements your video's theme and mood. Adjust the volume to ensure the music enhances, not overpowers, the visuals. Once you're satisfied with your edits, preview your final video to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Click the download button to save your masterpiece. Congratulations, you've just created a stunning video with Google Veo 3, ready to be shared with the world. Harness the power of AI and start creating engaging content with ease.